So hello and welcome to Try What We Buy. Today we are at Centre Parks and we have gone to the fresh bakery aisle where we've picked up 3 fresh bakery cakes, although Alex does not know about one of them. I'm not a big fan of this though. Are these berries cranberries?
Not actually sure. It's very, very creamy. And it's got a nice crunchy base.
Nice. Well, that one went down well.
Next up we have got the cheesecake chocolate brownie. It's got like a cheesecake base and then just different levels of chocolate with a nice bit of chocolate. What's that on the top? What would you call that?
Chocolate swirl.
Chocolate swirl. Really?
Get some of the chocolate swirl in it. Okay.
Oh, yours is good.
Yeah, I got all the layers.
Very nice. But you
Oh,
don't like
no.
you don't like cheesecake, do you?
Oh no. That's not good. I really wish I would. But do you see how much I put in my mouth? No, this goes.
Very nice. So it's not really fair for Florence to rate this one because she doesn't
No.
like cheesecakes, but I do. So I'm going to give that a good solid 9 out of 10. It's very, very nice. It's not too sweet. Different layers of flavour for each bit of chocolate, and it's got a nice base, and it's got a really intense chocolate flavour on the top.
Yeah, the chocolate swirl's good,
Yeah.
but it hasn't changed my mind about cheesecake.
So 9 out of 10 for me from that. Not really a fan of that.
That doesn't taste like a cake. It tastes like a donut.
It's got no chocolate flavours. It doesn't taste like chocolate.
It tastes like cereal. It tastes like a donut. That was good.
Well, thanks for joining us on this episode